I think it's definitely the feeling of like being connected to a heritage. Because even if you know a little bit of a language, you're in the club to some extent. So it's like me with Yiddish. I'm not Jewish, but I speak Yiddish. And I know enough about Jewish culture and have a married family connection, whatever, that's like, okay, I'm in, you know. And that feels good. I mean, it's you feel a kind of bond with people that language, I mean, language really is this kind of social glue. That it doesn't make any difference what your particular heritage is in terms of bloodlines. It's like, who do you identify with? And language is a really great way to make that, like to really be a part of a culture. I mean, I speak German too. I'm not German, but I don't want to be German. I'm happy who I am. I don't even have any German background, but I like the feeling of sort of connecting with other human beings in their own language. And I think that's kind of what a lot of us, that excitement that a lot of us have when we're doing something in another language. It really does open, it's a portal to a different culture.